The power of discipline. How to use self-control and mental toughness to achieve your goal. Have you spent weeks, months, or even years trying to achieve your goal but keep failing? Have you given up on becoming successful because your futile efforts have led you to believe that success is only for the select few? If you have answered yes to any of these questions, don't worry, there is still hope for you. Before you can achieve anything in your life, you need a solid foundation of self-discipline. Talent, intelligence, and skill are only a part of the equation. Also, positive thinking, affirmation, and vision boards are only a part of the equation. If you want to turn your dreams into reality, you need self-discipline. Self-discipline is what will keep you focused when all hell is breaking loose and it looks like you are one step away from failure. It will give you the mental toughness required to dismantle the limitation you have placed on yourself and break through all obstacles. How would you feel if I told you that your inability to achieve your goals does not arise because you're lazy, but rather is a problem because you have never been taught how to practice self-discipline? People are not born with self-discipline. Like driving, playing tennis. It's a skill that you learn. In the power of discipline, you will gain access to easy to read scientific explanation about self-discipline, including how to master self-discipline by targeting certain areas of the brain. The Navy SEAL's secret to self-discipline. The Zen Buddhist secret to self-discipline. How to make hard work exciting. How to ditch your bad habit and adapt the habit of successful people. By applying the principle in this book, you will develop your self-discipline. Build those toward your goals. Become an unstoppable force of nature. And start living the life you know you deserve. If you want to know more about the power of discipline, go to the description below. You will find the link. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.